and welcome again to my workshop. I think this is going to be a fairly quick video. Some time ago I promised, I mentioned that I was going to show you how to sharpen a drill. Okay, sharpening a drill, it's really quite an easy process. If I show you on this board, because me trying to point out on this drill is going to be very difficult, I think. So you have a, how am I going to draw this? Okay, the ideal shape that it should be is you have this sort of arrangement, and the flute goes off down that way and up to the, so you have the twist in the drill there, which is called a flute, and this area here, and the cutting edge is just that point there. But of course this continues up and across like so, and this continues up like this, and then you have the other half of the drill on the other side there, like so. So not only do you have to rake this angle back or achieve this angle, in other words having this pointed here and this, if I draw a parallel line there, so you have to achieve this angle here, but you also have to achieve this angle here. So you have you're actually sharpening in two planes at the same time. It might sound difficult, but it's really easy. And it's all in how you hold and present the drill to the grindstone. Now I'll try and get a close-up on this and show you what's wrong with this one, why it needs sharpening. Okay, the drill we're actually going to be sharpening is this smaller one. And as you can see, hopefully the camera's picking that up, it's been, well, it's really is rounded there, it's blunt, and I actually don't know who sharpened this. I don't think it was me. And you can see that this is virtually flat, there's very little angle here, so it's actually sharpened wrong, and it's not very well, so we're going to make that a lot better. But this drill is a good represented, is a very good representation of that shows you the angle back and also this angle here. Now that's what we are going to achieve, and like I say, it's very easy, and it's all about how you present this area here, or this face, to the grinding wheel, which we're going to do right now. Okay, so that is flat on and square with the grindstone wheel. Well, of course we have to achieve those two angles. So what you do, you lift the back up. Now your fingers are running close to the grinding wheel, so you must be very careful and always wear protective glasses. So with that safety measure intact, you lift the drill up, rest your finger on the rest here, and pull the back up, okay, and then turn it approximately 30 degrees roughly. So we're going to present the edge of that, this edge to the cutter. We're going to present the edge of this cutter now at this correct angle to the grinding wheel, and all we're going to do is this motion is turn, 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 and then turn the drill to the other face, because you have to get them equal as well, and turn, turn, turn. So you have this angle, lifting the back of the drill up, and this angle, and you're presenting then at the correct angles to the grindstone. So we'll give that a try. Turn, 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 turn. Very gentle, not in any hurry doing this. Turn, 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 turn. So we're getting this slowly. And the idea as well is don't heat to the end of the drill up. This drill is quite damaged, so that's why it's taken a bit of time. So now you can hopefully see we've achieved the angle here and the angle here, and we have a very good sharp cutting edge. So I hope that very short video of how to sharpen a drill helped some of you guys out. And please subscribe to my channel and press like, and go to my channel. I've got 2 channels now because I was filling up my main channel. So visit them. You'll see shop jobs that I do around here, wood turning, laser work, CNC routing, and milling. And I'm sure there's something there that you'll like. So it's bye for now.